Hello! It's been a minute. It's been a long minute. I'm sorry. Suddenly, it's the middle of January. Super quick, here's like a tiny montage of some of the things that happened since I last posted. Have fun with that. So, yeah. Any and all questions can be directed to my business email because I don't have one and because I don't know exactly what happened. So I'm sorry, we are back. I will go back to posting once a week and I'm here to stay as long as I possibly can. If you're new here, hi, my name is Joe. I'm a sophomore. I'm a pre-nursing major at Georgia State. And yeah, that's basically it. Dude, also, peep the fit. Peep the fit. I got this at Goodwill and it's big and it's ugly and it makes me happy. Looking like Steve from Blue's Clues, you know? So, we are still in a pandemic. And school is still really hard to do because most of it's online. I know a lot of people who have completely online classes. I have one class in person right now, but I'm basically all online.
Coronavirus!
Last semester, I did a pretty good job. I got all A's, so I think I do have somewhat of a resume built up when it comes to online learning and long distance learning or whatever, because I did that most of my life as a homeschooler. Tip number 1, build your bubble. Build your bubble. I had a bubble back at home. I literally named it my bubble. And it was a sacred space. It was a beautiful space and I loved it so much. You need a bubble. Everyone needs a bubble. It's true, you probably don't have a lot of room if you're at home, if you live with a lot of other people, but you have to find your bubble and you have to make it. Sometimes you can't make a bubble. Sometimes you have to go find a bubble, but you need one. And your bubble doesn't have to be fancy. It just needs to help you get into the right mindset, which is really hard to do. The only thing that I know you have to do is it cannot be where you sleep. That's basically the only criteria. Don't make it where you sleep. If you can make it outside of your room, amazing, incredible. If not, that's okay. You'll be fine. You'll live. It's okay. Decorate it, do something to it. Just make sure you get into the right mindset. So once you find your bubble, establish that it is a sacred space. Tell your family, tell your friends, tell whoever you live with, your dog, I don't know. Tell them to leave you alone, because if they don't leave you alone, it's not gonna work. Even if it's only for a set amount of time, even if you are very busy and your family needs you or you have responsibilities around the house, you have to let them know that your schoolwork comes first and they need to give you your space. Tip number 2, write all your deadlines down now. Like right now. Even if you started a few days ago, if you start in a few days, you starting right now, I don't know. Write everything down right now. Write all your deadlines down in your calendar, your planner, put it on your phone, I don't know where, but put it somewhere where you're gonna see it. It will save your butt. It will save your butt. It has saved me so many times when I'm just chilling, having a good time, and then I look at my phone and I see something like, I don't know, group presentation due. There are definitely apps you can use to like link up your stuff, but just write them all down. Write them all down as soon as you can. It'll take you like an hour or two, but it's worth it. Another thing that I do is I like to write down my assignments for the week on Monday. It is kind of a pain in the butt, but it's so nice to have all your assignments in one place where you can see what you need and write the date and the time that they're due. It does wonders for the stress. Number 3 is a little difficult because we are online, mostly, probably you are, but here it is. Impress your professors. I know this sounds a little weird, but if you make an impression on your professors, it will go a long way. Even if you're online, go to their online office hours, send them an email, something, anything. If they know your name and your face, or at least your name, because we're online, I guess, it will make a big difference. Professors usually, in my experience, don't bump up grades, but they do extend deadlines. They are more understanding. They do like reduce penalties or whatever, and they'll, they'll take the extra time to explain it to you, usually if you show interest, if they know that you care, if they at least think that you care. You should care, but if you have to fake it to make it, no judgment from me, so do whatever you gotta do. Number 4. Okay, get some help. Yeah, everybody needs help, but the specific help that I'm talking about right now is to join a group chat, make a friend in class, or see if any of your friends are taking the same class, or even go to office hours if you need it. Group chats have also saved my butt. Sometimes I just forget about a deadline, or I miss it or something, and the group chat will be blowing up with someone having some question like, hey, is this due tonight? Side note, sometimes people start getting a little iffy when they start asking like questions about the test, or they start asking the questions that were on the test in the group chat. Be careful with that. I have been in a group chat where someone was posting pictures of the questions and some potential answers, and we all almost got in trouble for that. So don't do that. But group chats can be super helpful. They help you meet people, they help you with projects, they help you with deadlines. So go ahead and do it. And even though we're not in person, try to make friends in class. I know it's really, really hard, but if you can, it will help a lot. And number 5, last but not least, give yourself a pat on the back. Take care of yourself, because this is really difficult right now. This is really, really hard to do anything these days because you're stuck in your house and you've only seen like 2 people in the past, I don't know, month. Maybe you already got corona, maybe you have it right now. Friends, family, I don't know. Life is very, 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 very difficult right now, and you need to set time aside to take care of yourself. Even if it's something small and stupid, come up with a concrete ideas. Today, I just walked around outside a little bit. Was it an accident because I thought the rec center was open, but it turns out not to be because it was MLK? Yes, but it was a really nice walk and it wasn't that cold, and it did wonders for me. Do something, anything, draw, write, go for a walk, read something, make something, take a picture, post something, I don't know what it is. You need to figure it out. You need to add it to your calendar, your planner. You need to set time aside. Just like you set time aside for studying, you need to set time aside to take care of yourself. So yeah, that's all I got for you today. If you're new here, thank you so much. Nice to meet you. How you doing? Welcome to the fam. Like, comment, and subscribe, I guess. If you're not, thanks so much for coming back. I love you. You're great. How you doing? How's the fam? Peace out.